last meeting is March 15, 2025. Manager sa DPWW, Franklin Pahulayan, DP Waterworks, and Redentor, GSA, General Services Staff, present on the meeting. Attend of start servants and final feedback was turned over and had been discussed with the new DPWW manager. A little discussion between the two heads, Net Arhua, President Dennis Placer, and the manager of DPWW. No other agenda. Focus on DPWW issue lock occupied donated to the